Hi guys, happy Sunday. Welcome to Cosying Up with Essy, where we do all things DIY, home decor and organization, hauls, tips and hacks for your home. My name is Esther and welcome back again to our little home of simple, cozy and inexpensive ideas. Today's video is another DIY wall hanging on wall art. I've been meaning to recycle one of my sufuria lids. The non-stick lids broke, so I wanted to recycle the ring, the outer ring that comes with this with the lid. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to recycle that lid, that metal part of the lid, and I want to be using straws. There's a time I did a video on DIY straws and I made these cool vases, so I also want to do that using straws, but now this time round I want to make a wall art or a wall hanging decor piece. So guys, come along with me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we are going to be painting as well using the Pepio paints that I have always loved. So I'm going to be using acrylic paints. You can use water paints, you can use any other brand of acrylic paints that you have to achieve the your desired taste. So come along with me guys, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Watch until the end to see the before and the after of whatever I'm making today. you guys enjoyed today's DIY. It was such a really nice DIY. I really love using paints, acrylic paints, to just make different items, and also recycling different pieces of carton, just coming up with something a good idea. So today's video was more about just recycling some items that may break in your kitchen or just in your house. You don't have to throw everything away. You can also do such a DIY and recycle some of these things, and yeah, just be creative, guys. So yeah, this is a DIY channel, and if you haven't joined our DIY family yet, kindly hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you like DIYs as much as I do, kindly follow me on Instagram and at Facebook at Cosying Up with Essy, and for any business inquiries at cosyingupwithessy@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Cheers, guys. Have a lovely week and see you in the next.